Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to send gifts to people on Poppo Life app. It's very easy, so let's get started. First step to take is of course open your Poppo Life app and log into your account. Next, you have to buy some coins. Coins are actually what you use to send gifts to people on Poppo Life. So if you want to buy some coins, you have to head to your profile. You see the coins option right there. Click on it, and then you find this top up button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you have to select the coin that you want to buy and the amount of coin you want to buy, and then pay for it. Then it will reflect in your coin balance. So once you have some coin in your coin balance, you can now send gifts to people. So how do you send gift to people? You have to join a live stream. So for example, I'll join this person's live stream. Now if I want to send gift to this person, I have to click on this gift icon at the bottom right corner. Once you click on it, you see so many types of gifts that you can select and send to this person. So once you select the gift just like this, go ahead and click on the send button at the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, this gift to be sent to the user. So that's how you can actually send gift, though there are still other places you can still send gift to people. The next one is during a live party. You can join a live party and still see the option to send gifts at the bottom right corner. Right, go ahead, select the gift icon and send. All right, so again, there's still another place which is the message. Once you open a message just like this, you can see the gift icon at the bottom area. Once you select it, you choose the type of gift you want to send to this user and then click on send at the bottom right corner. So these are actually the three places you can send gifts to people on Poppo Life. All right, so hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to send gifts to people on Poppo Life. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.